Hi, I'm Jeremy, coming to you from the law offices of David Azizi. Today we're going to bring you another important legal perspective from car accident lawyer David Azizi here in Los Angeles, California. Today's topic, what to do after a car accident. If you've been involved in a collision with a car, SUV, motorcycle, or other vehicle, it's important to keep these steps in mind to protect yourself physically and legally. Step 1. Remain at the scene of the accident. Leaving the scene for any reason before authorities arrive could jeopardize the evidence for your case or even be viewed as a hit and run. When safety allows, do not move your vehicle until told to do so or until it's removed for you. Step 2. Call emergency services. Dialing 911 is the safest choice whenever a serious collision with another vehicle occurs, especially with large trucks and commercial vehicles. Step 3. Call the police. Police are typically dispatched with a 911 call, but if emergency services are not required and there is significant damage, the police should still be called. They can file a police report and assist with gathering accounts from any witnesses. Try to get the names and badge numbers of officers on the scene or ask for a business card with that information. Step 4. Take photos, videos, and audio recordings. If you're able to, record images and video of the damage to all vehicles, the location, any skid marks, or damage on the road. Every detail you capture could help prove liability in your case. Record an audio version describing the facts of what happened while your memory is fresh. You may need to refer to it as you move forward with legal action. Step 5. Exchange information. Be sure to gather important details of the other drivers who've been involved, along with any other witnesses that exist. Be sure to collect names, contact information, vehicle registration information, insurance coverage details, and physical descriptions of the vehicles involved. Here's attorney David Azizi discussing the most common mistakes made after a car crash.
Come across a lot of situations like this where clients have been involved in an accident, they're nervous, they're worried about their health and everything else. And a lot of times they're in the middle of the street or middle of a freeway, so their entire concern is, let me get out of the way and just exchange information and move on. And a lot of the details that need to be obtained, such as the driver's license information of the other individual, their insurance information, the address of the other individual that caused the accident, all these details are important in order to pursue a claim, particularly the insurance information and the license plate of the vehicle. Because if you don't obtain that information, and let's say, for example, the guy has a common name, John Smith, it's very difficult for you to be able to then pursue a claim against that individual if you don't have all the necessary information. The address of the party who's at fault is particularly important, because if you're not unable to resolve the case with the insurance company and you need to pursue a lawsuit, you need to serve that individual with the lawsuit. And like I said, if they have a common name like John Smith, try hiring an investigator and saying, I need to find a John Smith. They'll find you thousands and thousands. Try to get as much information as you can. The other common mistake that I found is that people tend to discount the injuries that they sustained from an accident and say, okay, well, I'll give it some time, hopefully it'll just go away and I'll be better. It's similar to working out or playing basketball. You feel a little bit stiff, you're like, I'll just give it some time and it'll eventually go away. And a month goes by and you realize, oh wait, this pain's not going away. Well, in that scenario, people can then criticize and say, well, because you haven't gone to the doctor for a month, you must not have been injured. But in reality, you were home in pain, going to work in pain, and doing all the stuff that you had to do on a daily basis in pain in hopes that the pain would go away.
Step 6. Avoid statements of any kind before seeking legal advice. For the protection of your case, it's often important to hold off on giving any formal or spoken statement until you've had time to speak with a car accident lawyer. Step 7. Get your case reviewed by a car accident lawyer. In order to get justice, you may need to file a lawsuit. A reputable law firm will always provide a review of your injury claim for free. An attorney with experience handling car accident cases can help collect evidence, will put up all the financial costs for legal matters and won't collect anything until your case is won, will contact your insurance company, file all reports with the DMV, file a lawsuit, speak with and negotiate a fair settlement with the opposing insurance companies, and assist you with recovering the compensation you deserve for medical expenses for injuries, lost wages, and other damages that may include pain and suffering. And remember, deadlines for filing lawsuits exist. Delaying legal action could have serious consequences for collecting what you deserve. Step 8. Attend all medical appointments and follow doctor advice. Not attending these appointments could give the appearance that maybe you're not as badly injured after all. Step 9. Report the accident to the DMV. In the state of California, a crash where someone is injured, killed, or where property damage exceeds $1,000, the accident must be reported to the DMV. This can be done by you or your attorney and usually must be submitted within 10 days after the accident. Step 10. Be prepared and help protect your loved ones. We encourage you to download and print our car accident checklist to keep in the glove compartment of each vehicle you own or lease. And download our car accident smartphone app, which makes it very easy to collect evidence and gather info from other drivers and document important facts. You can download the accident checklist and the app for free. Look for details in the description of this video. If you need a free review of your injury case or have questions about a car accident, call the law offices of David Azizi today.